Good morning, family. Welcome in another day, another opportunity to get absolutely rich stealing from the markets. Today, I'm not going to lie to you guys, feeling a lot better than yesterday. I feel like we were just still in the learning phase, but I feel like we ironed out some bugs yesterday. What do y'all think? I think we got some of the bugs out of the way. Now we're ready to just get serious, get paid. Apex all the way, baby. Apex all the way, baby. Pobby, good morning, King. First and foremost, what's up, baby? Danny, there she is, queen. There she is. Welcome in, welcome in. What's up, Mo? What's up, King? Let's go, family. Let's get focused. I'm not gonna lie, yesterday we got a little bit of the bugs out. I feel like we refreshed, we got reset. Today I'm looking to just take advantage of it, get paid. So what did yesterday do? Came up, and then we sold all the way through the bottom. Gross. Look at yesterday's range. Gross. And we got cooked. How do I take care of this box? I don't want this box here anymore. Delete the box, please. How do I delete boxes, guys? Oh, there we go. Okay, just delete. Hit the delete button. All right, so what do we get? Overnight session. Kind of came up to the top of the range. Sold off. Is there a way, you guys, do you know? 5 new accounts? Yes, ma'am. How do I set the... Yep, yes, ma'am. Manage groups. Let's go. So we're going to go Apex 50k's. 50k's. Is there a way to set up for the divided... Like, you remember how Top Step has... it lets you, like, divide each day. So you can see a clear session break where the new day ends. Is that something we can get going? Because that's what I would like. Apex 50k's, I think we're in there. Rise and shine, Goonies. Let's get it, King. Good morning, sunshine. No way, Coop. Welcome in, King. Let's go. Love having you here, bro. Welcome in. Hey, brother, what's up, work? Let's turn up today. Today's the day, man. We're not fucking around. We got the bugs out yesterday. Had to learn a new thing. I feel like we're doing good. $3,230 payout today. 1070 across 3 accounts. Bad week. Wasted a lot of extra profits. Mohammed. Cannot say bad week after taking a fucking $3,000 payout. 3,300 near lead, man. Congratulations. You got to be excited about that, man. Hell yeah. I know we can always, we always like a little bit of extra bread on the table, but man, you just got paid. Pat yourself on the back. That's not a fucking, it's not something to turn your head at. That's a big thing, man. Congratulations. That's just the beginning. I can keep rolling those up. So look over here. We have our 47,500 drawdown. So we have full drawdown. Let's get paid. You know what I'm saying? Let's focus. Let's do the thing we got to do here. No fucking around. By the way, guys, I did get a confirmation email from TopStep about our code, about affiliates. They accepted us, but they denied our option for BBW, our BBW, Big Beautiful Women, and they also denied our code for King. Apparently, the King is being used. So I applied for one. I'm just going to see if they approve it before I let you guys know what it is. But I like it. I'm excited about it. So, yeah. All right. Hourly chart. What are we thinking? I don't really know how I feel about the fact that we sold all the way off and then started finding some more support and then bought it all the way back up. And end of the day, very bullish. So we got to be bullish, I think, but that was just gross price action. Let's actually take a better look at our hourly chart here. Kind of wouldn't mind seeing a little bit of selling, maybe, depending on how we get there. I don't know. Just because it would be nice, you know what I mean? It would be quite nice. NASDAQ opening towards the low. Opening towards the low of the range here. See what happens. Might be a slow day since it's a bank holiday, probably. I was thinking the same thing. I locked out. Hey, that discipline's how you get far, King. I like that. Requested, approved, and received in 2 minutes. Gotta love MFF. Mo, yeah. That's, honestly, never got to pay out that quick, King. So you gotta like that. Lock in and good morning. Let's go, Corey. Welcome in, King. TLR same, baby. Let's get it, family. Let's focus. Let's get paid today. Come on. It is a bank holiday, like our man Pobby says. So just keep an eye out that it could be a little bit slower. Let's see what happens, though. but I need to know when to trade. I agree, Pobby. I think that's probably, to be honest with you, one of my things I could work on the most, Pobs, is limiting when I trade. I think I have really good executions, but sometimes I'm just getting in the middle of nothing just because I'm looking. Well, because I'm on stream, to be honest with you, small part of it. I'm trying to find something. Also, I'm trying to stay with I'm trying to stay, you know, attempting. So, like, tomorrow I'll reload, essentially, which kind of is probably the reason we got kicked from Top Step. So, we'll see. MFF will introduce daily payout today. So excited. No way, Mo. MFF doing things in the space. Huge. I heard Top Step's going to be eliminating their what is it? Their activation fee before November ends. So that's going to be crazy. 11/11 today is the day, by the way, family. Huge day, huge time. Make a wish, you know what I mean? What's the catch for MFF? I don't know. Do you need to make a certain amount? They did change end of day to trailing in day. Ooh, there's kind of a thing right there, Pobby. End of day to trailing intraday is kind of a big difference, not gonna lie. Morning, family. What's up, Dockery? Welcome in, King. How did yesterday go? Missed the live yesterday. Taking a couple weeks to focus on building a little emergency fund before resetting my accounts again. Listening while doing Uber now. You're the man, Dockery. I like that. It's how you save up, King. Get focused, and you're still putting in the work in, watching stream. You're the man. Yesterday was all right. We had a couple little tweaks to work out with this new Apex platform. Trade of 8, definitely a little bit different. Something I'm adjusting to. So a little bit of learning curve there, brother, but we're working on it. I think today's going to be a better day. We'll see what happens. Opening towards near the bottom of the range on the NASDAQ right now. My youngest is B-Day today. Hey, insane, Mad Max. Give them a big old happy birthday for me, King. I love it. Mo says there's no catch, Pobby. He loves them, so we'll see. Oh, MFF is end of day. Okay. Looks like they're end of day too, Danny. Who switched over? Wait, what's this? What's the info on Top Step removing activation fee? El Colonial, what's up, King? I'm pretty sure they are teasing it. I'm not exactly sure the release date of when, but they have been teasing that they're removing activation fees, so that's huge. I'm guessing they might make their accounts a little bit more expensive, but we don't have any confirmation on that either, so we'll see what happens. El Colonial, but if they want to do it before Thanksgiving, it could be fucking massive. And it's just going to keep the prop firm war fueled. Other people are going to try to, you know, match incentives, so. Yep, stop removing activation before Thanksgiving confirmed. Hell yeah, Mo. Remember to say thanks for a vet for their sacrifice. Absolutely. Today is Vets Day. Shout out to every single person giving us the freedom to trade the way that we get to play our lives. Thank you. He's 3 now. That's insane, Max. Great little age. Little man's going to be running the thing soon. You got to get him on the charts, Max. What are we doing? Yo, I appreciate every single person hopping in here, spending the morning. If you haven't yet, hit the thumbs up. Get this stream, get a little bit of fuel in the stream. Easiest way to support. I appreciate you guys. See what I did, LOL? Yeah. I see what you did, King. I see what you did, King. And I love it, Pobby. All right, family, let's get focused. Opening print candle. We opened at the 606s. Opened at the 606s, pushing up in towards this VWAP here. I feel like if we can't, kind of want to be bullish, to be honest with you. We pulled back into this previous range where we found some more support. They're trying to hold it. I think we could find some longs up out of here, to be honest with you. Might got to be a little patient, but at the same time, I don't think so. I think we could find some longs. Let's be patient, though. Let's see what happens. Push, 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 push. Push, push, push. Work, you thinking longs too then, King? Hourly's coming up in over the EMA into the VWAP here on the hourly. See what the reaction is around here. Let's see what the reaction is in around there. Alpha has been getting a lot of attention lately, so I guess they have to keep up somehow. Yeah, that's it. That's it, Alcohol. I mean, hey, you got to stay in the prop. You got to stay competitive, baby. You got to get people incentivized to come play with you. So that's what my favorite thing. Top Step does that. They're going to get everybody in. Yep, I'm longs on SP right now. Ooh, I like that. I'm going to grab a long down here. I don't want 10. I only want 5. Ooh, but big reaction here, to be honest with you. Big reaction here. to be completely transparent, but I still like it. I'm going to go for a buy here. See if we can get a fill.
Order filled.
We're in one contract each. Gonna have our stop in below the range opening price. Sell 5 stop. So our stops are gonna be below opening print candle. Want to see if we can get a reaction around here to push back up. Want to see if we can get a little bit of a reaction around here to get pushed back up. There he is. Yo, we missed you yesterday, King. Welcome in, Pat. Hope you're doing great, baby. Welcome in, King. See if we can get a reaction here. We're buying a little bit early. Want to see if we can get a push back up and around this VWAP. Find some support by the longs. See what type of trouble we can get ourselves into this morning. See what type of trouble we can get ourselves into this morning. We got Pat here now. Yo, what's good, Kit May? Welcome in, King. Took yesterday off. It happens, baby. As long as you got that mindset fresh and ready to go. That's what we got to do. Keep ourselves in the game, man. I like it. See if we can get some longs here to support this price on the NASDAQ. Want to see us push back up towards this VWAP. From there, we can be patient. We have our stop loss on below opening print candle right now. Going to be patient. See if we can get some excitement out of here by the longs. Let's get this breadstick. Oh, the gravy. I need the breadstick and gravy right now, King. So let's just do some math. If we need to get 1,500 and we have 5, we need to get to 7,500 on this trade. And I can't really take... I gotta remember that too. You can't really take the drawdown, so you can see my drawdown is gonna be adjusted. Look at it, it's already adjusted. Insane. That makes it so hard for traders. I'm not gonna lie. That makes it so hard for traders. I'm not even gonna lie about it. NASDAQ, we got to get some excitement through here. Otherwise, we're going to be in trouble. Got to get these buyers to step back up in through these 27s. These 30s are being a bit of an obstacle right now. Getting back at our price. Come on, Long. Show me some money. Good morning, studs and stodettes. Let's go, Saucy. Welcome in, King. Our man, our myth, our moderator. Yo, Elijah, what's up? Welcome in, King. Happy to have you back, brother. Happy Tuesday. Yo, so we just took a trade, right? We got up like, I don't know. What'd I get up? Like $400 or $500 almost. And then we just lost that drawdown. Here's a flash. Flash selling, almost taking our stop loss. Almost taking out our stop loss there with that flash. See if we can get the longs to just react. I'm not really liking this price action right now. Where are my longs at? Shit. Got to get up back through our price if we want to get some excitement through here. Sellers are trying to step in here. Sellers are trying. Longs are kind of defending. Getting a little interesting here. I want to see some excitement through our friends right now. Get up through this EMA. Get up through this EMA. Show me some excitement right now. Come on, baby. If we close up and close above these 2730s, we're looking pretty strong. Otherwise, we're not. We're looking through strong through the 30s. Otherwise, we're not. Let's go, Saucy. SP's pushing up. I love it, work. So why am I fucking pushing down right now? Come on, work. Bring us up with you. If SP is going, bring me with you, King. NQ getting stuck. Stuck at our price right now. Ty, you like chocolate milk or strawberry? I'm not going to lie to you, Pop. I have not had either of those in a long time. But when I was a kid, I used to fuck with chocolate milk heavy. I'm not going to lie. Guys, drop them likes. Mo, you're the man. I appreciate you, King. If you guys have not yet, put the likes down. Show some love to this new Apex that we're struggling with. So we just got up a little bit on our accounts on this trade, and it immediately affects your drawdown. So looks like we could come get a stop out here. We needed the price to stabilize above that EMA. We found some more selling. Not really loving it. If we can't close up and above our price, we're probably going to be cooked on this now. Another flash right towards our stop loss. Still defending slightly, but not feeling very stable about it. Not feeling stable about it. Where are my longs at?
Stop filled.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So if the longs are just getting denied at open here today. And previous day high, we already swept. Are we going to go see previous day low? Is that what the direction is right now? Not going to lie, the hourly candle's inverting pretty grossly here, so. Oh, what do you know? It just had to stop me out perfectly. Classic bullshit, guys. Both are first round picks, Pobby. Got to be sauce. For real, chocolate milk would go crazy with a pizza or a spicy chicken sandwich. Oh my god. Someone's got the munchies. That sounds delicious, Pobs. Ty, promise me you'll try MFF eventually. Trust me, you'll love it. I absolutely will, Mo. I absolutely will. I'm gonna give Apex a couple tries. And then I'm gonna try out some either TPT or MFF, but probably MFF since you're making me. You're really pressing them, so I love it. You say they're great, man. Hey, they got to be good. Appreciate you for sharing, Mo. We got to give them a go here at some point. I would always eat an obnoxious amount of hot Cheetos and chase it with chalky milk. Come on, sauce. Morning King. NQ entry in range now. Try to do equal highs and lows. Welcome in, Amin. Happy to have you here, brother. Happy to have you here, King. Guys, what the fuck is my trading lately? Can somebody tell me? Why am I getting bottom ticked on every fucking position I've been trying to get into lately? Seriously. Every fucking position, bottom tick, top tick, bottom tick, top ticked. Like, it's just starting to get to my mental. Drawing tools. Let's get our box drawn because we got our first 15-minute range here. No, like, why am I getting fucking bottom ticked on everything? Please, somebody, let me know what the fuck I'm doing wrong because I'm going to snap. But use Quantum Tower. Trade Debate's ass. Yeah, I'm not going to lie. Not going to lie, Mo. I've been feeling that. They've been messing with me. Yesterday was really weird right away. So, I don't know. We're going to see what happens. Long's trying to pop back up now that they stopped Tyler out. See what happens. For real, Saucy, I would take 2 milks. Don't get started when they're ice cold with a little bit of ice in them. Shift kiss. Let's go. BS, man. Still longs on SP. Why did I get fucking bottom ticked to a T again? Why? It's like they're watching the streams. It really is. Trade of 8 is ugly. It is ugly, Alcalonia. It makes you feel like you're trading back in the fucking dino ages. It really does, King. No, I love it, Pobby. Say that random shit, King. I love it. Wait for longs around the 540s. You like a little dip down there, huh, Ryan? Okay, King. I like that. Where's the 540s? All right. All right, all right. See what happens there, King. Welcome in, though, Ryan. Happy to have you here, King. I would get the kid in school, then had a lunch made from home to go and try. Give me a tray. Those chocolate milks that they gave us, the little cartons. Now just follow which one will break and follow momentum. Let's see it, I mean. Should have already been with these longs, but I got fucking cooked. It's just so annoying. If we get up and through these 27s, I'm going to add. If we get a closure above these 27s, I'm going to add. Still kind of want to add right here. I'm going to try one. I'm going to try another one down here at these 12s. Tight stop on it. Still want to be in these fucking longs. Got really unlucky with our option there. Give me a fill. Looking for a fill now just below the EMA at the 612s, 25s. Just need a little tickle. I think we're going to go get a push towards this VWAP. Just touched our price, no fill. Gave us a little taparoonie and cheese, but no fill there.
Filled.
Now we're longs. Let's see if we can get some price to hold here. See if we can get price to hold here at all. I'm going to have my stops below the 15-minute range. put them in now just to do it. Limit sell stop. Get out of my stop loss. We want to see price push back up towards this view up for my TP, but right now we're already below. Come on, long. Show me the thing. Wanted to be with you guys. Show me some love here. Let's pop up into there now. Let's get a little reaction out of here. Show me some money. Show me some money. After Project X, all these softwares feel like dog shit. Mo, it really is. Which, hey, kudos to Project X and Top Step for making it feel that way. I mean, honestly, they made it super trader friendly. Very nice in terms of if we're looking for quick, easy moves. So, got to give it to them there. And now we just got to get better at learning something different. We're professionals. We can adapt. There's a demand at the 40s. Might not get it. I have a limit at the 72s. The demand at the 40s. You have a limit at the 72s. I love it, Pat. Hey, you're looking for a healthy long. I'm trying to catch a little bit of this middle. Oh, feels like I'm going to get fucking burned. Not going to lie. Gosh. Trading has just been rough. We get perfectly bottom ticked. I re-enter. Now we're just getting right back towards our stop all over again. This game makes me just want to crash out sometimes. Like, what the fuck, man? Yeah, you're going to bottom tick me again and then rinse and repeat, huh? Yep, here we go. Jesus Christ. Can I catch a fucking move lately, man? I'm going to get so mad. Hey, Ty, try a tick chart. Might help you out, but up to you, King. Can you even do those with candlesticks? Yeah, I don't even. Can you even do that on these? Why every time your firm gets in, the market gets dumped? It's just. Yo, Maxie's in here. What's up, Max? Welcome. What's up, King? Yeah, Pat, you're about to get your option to get a fill down here at these 72s. Good luck with that, King. You right. Brush it off. Yo, Ty, check out Lucid. They have a new 25 account that costs $60, no activation fee. You need to make a $12.50, and your minimum loss is $1,000, and you can copy trade 5 accounts. Max payout is only $1K, but if you copy, it's all right. So it'll be $5K, and you only have to spend $60 to get in. 60 times 5, so $300 in, you can make 5. Spitz, welcome in. Welcome back, King. I kind of love that. Kind of love that. Yeah, go to the 1 minute time frame, and it should say ticks. Right here. Word. I'll check it out. Well, in a second here, probably in a second. What's up, Jay? Welcome in, King. On slower days, 500 ticks. In volatile days, 1,000 tick chart is sauce. On slower days, a 500 tick. In volatile days, 1,000 ticks. Okay. Yo, Pat, what an entry down at the 72s, bub. Starting to get a big reaction down there. Still short from the 720s. Our man. Holy shit, bud. Let's go, Max. You're a fucking dog. You're a dog. It really is, Shiro. Yeah, no worries, King. No pressure. Spitz, MF core, 75, $3,000 payout per 5 winning days. That's even better, yeah. Even better. I'm short now. Let's see if the real move or fake us. I don't know. I kind of want to join you guys. I'm going to be a little bit patient only because I want to see if this big volume gets pushed through. Otherwise, we keep finding some wicks like this. We could get a reaction, but I don't mind it to find some more selling here. We'll see. We'll see. Right now, the longs are trying to defend this bottom, though, I will say. They are trying their darndest. Didn't like the reaction. I got out break even. Way to put a break even on, though. I like that. Gold 4180's been calling it for 3 weeks now. Can you get us up there, Maxie? We need to go up there, King. Can you get me there? Price action sucks. I know, Eli. I just got cooked. Tick chart changed the game for me when with confluence in the CBDs. Okay, Shiro. I love that, King. Let's go. No longs on NQ today, I think. No longs, huh? Yep, only that MFF. You still want to copy, you got to use that nasty trade evade. I know, that's what I'm using right now, Spitz, and honestly, it's making me want to stop trading. That's how much I do not like trade evade right now. I'm going to go with the shorts. I don't love that they're struggling to push through this price, but I think they're going to get the opportunity to here in a moment. Going to be patient. I'm going to look for shorts. Been trimming a bit. I like that. Might as well. You're up fucking mad points, King. If you want to trade one account at MFF is all right because I then use TradingView. TradingView, I might have to mess around with those two. I think I heard that TradeSyncer, then we can use one account, maybe like Project X or TradeSyncer, and then we can get that rotation. What are these values at? Total, we're already down $1,000. Nice. Nice. It's fucking awesome. Okay, what's the value? I have 1,300 in drawdown. Crazy. Got out at 27. I was long gold from the 407s. Got out at 27 last week. Looks like, yeah, I remember last week, King. Looks like sellers stepping in a little. They're trying to, Pat. Getting some suppressed volume down in this range. Looks like they're struggling a little bit to get through there, but we'll see if they get the continuation. If so, I'm just going to join them. A little quick scalp. I think you have to trade these. Now that I'm not looking at gold, the move happens. Don't you love it, Maxi? Don't you love it, King? It's Apex Tie. They dumb rule. They got it messing with your head, but you got this. I don't even know. Look at this. Bottom tick. I get fucking tilted, so I rejoin on a break of this price and then just get murdered. I kind of like that it shows my trades here. I like this a little bit. I like that you got to see the reactions. Yo, Apex, by the way, I just noticed. Good luck, bro. Thanks, Maxi. Yeah, we're trying, King. Got a learning curve here. A little bit of a learning curve. We'll see what happens. Yeah, Ty, you got to find something better than that Apex trailing drawdown bullshit. It is fucking hard, but I also know that if we can just get over it, Spitz, if we get over the little edge, we can get paid. We just dial in. Had $3 in my Robinhood account. If Apple can get to 287.50 by the 14th, it turns into 315. Get there, Apple. Come on. One time for the sauce. It sucks because you can't hold like you do, bro. I know. That's the biggest issue. Like, that's my trading, the way that I know how to, the way I like to play. And so I have to, like, try to get in and out now. I don't know. It's going to be weird for me. But learning curves, we get better. This is only going to make us better traders, so we're going to take it. Look at the reaction down here. Lots of wicks. Price unable to get through here. Interesting. Longs to 600 ain't a bad idea, King. Not a bad idea, but right now the shorts. I'm going to sell 15 at this. Ooh, I don't love that. There's... It feels like the longs are stepping back in, but I don't believe them after I already been murdered. Yeah, and then here they go. Selling here.
Order filled.
Selling here. See if we can get a reaction. Holy shit, the longs though. Holy shit, the longs though. Shorting this trend line. Nearly the 50% of the range, but the longs fucking step in with mad volume. Can we get some selling defense here? Otherwise, these accounts are going to be just destroyed. Come on, baby. Get back down there. Show me some selling at this trend line. Doesn't feel good. Holy fucking shit, man. I'm going to fucking snap.
Order filled.
Longs to 600, 1400 across 3. Let's fucking go. Let's go, Mo. Good trading, king. I would never trade Apex evals. I'm starting to understand why, Max. What the fuck is wrong with me lately? I can't I can't. God damn it, dude. We buy the fucking long. We get ripped through. Perfect break even. Perfect stop loss. Sends back up. We buy the long again. Finally get destroyed. Like, you know what? We're going to go shorts this time. Clearly they're in control. We buy the next fucking pullback into the trend line and it rips through. Like, my fucking God, dude. Bro, just dip on Apex and start fresh with new accounts. With accounts you like. I appreciate you, Keith. Appreciate you, King. You just have to trail your stop into profit. That's why it's called take profit. Happens, bro. Brush off. Appreciate you, Pat. MFF. You like my funded futures? It's like, what the fuck, man? Longs. Why did you wait? Why did the longs wait? I'm in the longs. I want long. We get perfectly bottom ticked. Okay, try another long when they hold the bottom of the range. Get fucking destroyed. Switch over, and then the longs are like, nope, we're just kidding. We're here, Ty. We're here, buddy. We're going up. Fucking hell, man. Just want to... Oh, dude. It's just a day that is extra bad on technical setups. I guess so, Corey. I mean, Jesus Christ. Can't even make it up. You just can't even make it up. Jesus fucking Christ, man. TPT account gone. Not sure what's up with me lately, but my trading has been off. Hey, Danny. I must just be... Look, everything has a cycle. Our strategy is just not fucking hitting. God, it's frustrating. Why the fuck? Like, seriously. Any firm that has intraday trailing is actually not for traders. No, they're for profit guidance. True for guidance. They're here for themselves, but that's fine because they still provide us the opportunity. Hey, look, I would long this pullback. I would long this pullback if I could.
Order rejected.
God. Trading has been really tough lately. I don't even know what happened. It's been tough, King. It's just killing me, Max. It's hard to brush it off when you're mad. LOL makes you want to start boxing your grandma. Like, come here. You get it. Oh, shit, Pavi. Way to put a fucking laughter in the room, King. That's hilarious. Come here, Graham. You getting it. 3 months ago, passing evals was so easy. It still fucking is, Max. That's what's pissed. That's why I'm irritated. It's fucking, this is not hard. It's not, it's just not working right now. You know what I mean? Look at this. Hey, margin requirements. You blew it. It's not hard, King. It's just in our minds. And I'll get better. I mean, look at this fucking range. We take a long, gets destroyed. Hindsight, it was too early. Okay, so let's be realistic. I got in too early today. Took a stop loss. This was a little bit of a better try, but still not really, because we never tried the bottom of the range. Get ripped through the bottom of the range. Lots of absorption here. Sellers trying. Look at the volume here. Big volume. Sellers trying so hard to get this to go down. Trying. Couldn't get it through. Decompressed selling volume at the range. Buyers got explosive out of there. I mean, that was the analysis. I shouldn't have... It's the analysis. I didn't read it good and made a mistake. It happens, but fuck. Tired of it. I want to be better. I'm going to get better. Can't get bitter. You have to get better. We're going to get better. Too early of a trade this morning. This was a better one. I can't really be upset about it. Once I got stopped on this, though, and the volume started picking up and holding wicks, I should have been looking for longs here, not shorting the next big explosive pump. So that's what we can do to get better. That's what we can do. Love your cat, by the way. Me too, Danny. Cutest little kitty. You had the setups. It's just rage baiting you. It's Veterans Day. Isn't it a bank holiday? Yes, it is, Base. It's a holiday today, so it could be just kind of choppy action anyway. We're still inside the 50-minute range. I guess could just be that. I will get one more Top Step account, but if that will blow, I will take the rest of the year off and start fresh 2026. No way, Danny. No way, Queen. Never, never. That's still, we still got like 7 weeks before the end of the year. I recommend just, slow it down. If that's how you're feeling right now, just one account at a time, one cheap count at a time. Get the rotation down, but you got it, Queen. Don't step away. Tyler, get MFFU. The core max payout is 3K, but if you get the scale max payout, it's 6K for 127, cheaper than Top Step and no trailing drawdown. 6K is better than Top Step. It's a bigger payout max. That's kind of fire. No trailing drawdown. MFFU, is that My Fun of Futures? Oh, Ultimate, the core max. I get you. Appreciate you, True. I probably will. I will still be long. Let's go. What's what I do best, bro? You should see me in school. I say some of the most out-of-pocket shit, LOL. It's a great trait to have, Bobby. Thanks, Pat. I don't have unlimited amounts of money. I don't have unlimited amounts of money, LOL. Don't enjoy just giving all my monies away. I feel it, Danny. I understand, Queen. Hence why my frustration, but the only way we can get more monies is to get better at this. Get better at it. When we feel frustration, just ingest, process, get better. I mean, do you want to see it, Danny? Look at this. Look where my liquidation price was, Queen. Look where my liquidation price was. And look where we right back at. I just can't make this shit up. Top tick. So bottom tip and then a top tick. I mean, it feels pretty shitty. It really does. But I get it. We bounce back. Keep working. We get the monies, and then we put the monies in here, and we turn the monies into big monies. I will still be longs. I have people like, what the fuck is wrong with you, but laughing. Nah, Bobby, it's the best. It's all perspective, but yeah, I get it. It's harder when you're mad. I'm just numb to it now. W, Pat. Gotta be numb, King. Totally understand, Danny. Do what's right for you. 26 people in here. Like the stream, boys. My man streams daily for us. We got to help him. Mo, you're the man, bro. I appreciate you. If we haven't yet, hit that thumbs up, family. You about to watch me crash the fuck out. So, I appreciate you guys. I'm really sizing down for the rest of the year and taking it slow. I think that's W max. That's the thing that I'm doing. I think I'm just going to slow everything down for the rest of the year. Especially because we're learning a new platform with Apex. Got to slow things down. I don't fuck with their trailing drawdown. Like, technically, if we didn't take this stop loss, and actually we were up a little bit, so it affected our drawdown here. If that didn't happen, we would have been able to afford more stop here. Here we go, Max. Look at the selling coming in. Because, of course, I short this, but no, I had to come up to this fucking price. God, man. Perfectly top ticked is insane. I get bottom ticked, and then I get top ticked. Fuck. Apex static account, which they never promote, is the actual gem. Have to start slow trading on micro, etc., but don't have to deal with that ridiculous trailing drawdown. That is crazy. They do not promote it, Daiquiri. Might look into it, King. I have a feeling it's going to hit the bottom of the 50-minute range, then go straight up. Well, TLR, we got explosive through here, King. Just big old sewer system to the downside. Short should be pretty much in. Max, you're still in your short. You're looking strong, King. Yeah, I know, but I don't have a limited amount of money, and with the cost of my cat, with his treatment, it's going fast. Yeah, health is expensive too, Danny. They also have a prop plan max payout 100K every 14 days. They also have a pro plan max payout 100K every 14 days. 100,000 every 14 days. Damn. I'm into that. Let's go MFU. MFF. You ever trade off Stream King? I did when I was learning, but now that I'm with you guys and now that I'm sharing my journey, I haven't been. I really only take trades here with you guys. Fuck, that's my sell. That's your sell, Queen. Look at me getting top ticked before this fucking momentous fall. Nice rip. Just caught a little of that. Let's go, Pat. Love hearing it, King. Well deserved. That man's been calm and cool, collected lately. It's the way you got to be. It's how you get better. Yeah, honestly saying that's why I said I need to get better. So now I only trade MNQ with 5 or 3 cons. That's it, Pat. We got to get better. Tyler, just got the C-mail. I was already out at the 68s. Oh, yeah. You're the king then, Max. Still thinking it maybe drop to fill the gap. Enjoy daily payouts at the sim-funded stage with a rapid add-on for scale plans. Launching today, November 11th at 10 a.m. For a limited time only, the rapid add-on is a free with every 50K scale PI. Just got this email 2 minutes ago. You're the man, guidance. Thanks for sharing, King. Is that for MFF as well? This would be a good long entry here. So we got to sell all the way through the bottom of the range. Longs found some reaction at these 544s. Getting back up into this trend line. I'd be cautious here at this EMA, see what the reaction is. But it does feel like shorts are in control right now. Nice hourly candle closing, pretty strong. Be patient, be careful. I think shorts are in control right now. Should be a good entry here. Daily payouts on MFF is out. Dang, Mo. They got those daily payouts. Might be trying it because I want to break 8. I don't like this. This doesn't feel... It feels like I'm relearning. You know what I'm saying? I'm relearning my eyes to look at the charts. I'm relearning the fucking... just everything. But it's okay. It's how we get better, guys. We have to get better. We have to be willing to take... you can only get better through stress and through effort. So, through stressors and effort. We're putting the effort in. We can deal with the stressors, and we're going to get better. The only way we can respond to this is just to take what we did wrong today. I got in a little too early with my first trade. Second trade I'm okay with. Third trade I got top ticked. I mean, we bounce back, family. That's the thing about us. That's how we stay in this game. Nice little wick on the hourly forming. I'd be shorting this, I think, but I also been cooked today, so don't listen to me. Just going to enter all the giveaways and win some accounts, LOL. Free account coming Danny's way, no doubt. Queen deserves it. Longs are scary. Just be careful. Longs are scary. I'd get one top step, Danny, like you said. Me too, Pat. Me too. Don't trade anything other than one little baby account, especially with like Project X for a little while. Just get that confidence back up, Queen. Just hope 5 people ain't here and you say we'll riot if you don't win a free account. Good morning, King. What's up, Chris? Happy to have you back, Christopher. Welcome in, baby. Have a wonderful day, Ty. You too, Mo. Appreciate you for being here. Thanks for spending your morning. Sorry you didn't get to see any good trading today. I just don't know. Perfect little bottom tick here. Took a long, got stopped, and then took a short and got stopped. So I just don't fucking know. We're doing something wrong. We'll get better. Bank holiday, low volume, to be honest. Extremely low volume. Still decent little range. I mean, 80, like, yeah, decent little range, but nothing crazy, Christopher. Better to honestly sit to the side. Just going to take it slow. Me too, Danny. 6 p.m. for me, King. Good night. It's so true. Good night, King. Have a great day. Thanks for spending your evening with us, sir. Hope you rest up. Have a good day. Have a better day tomorrow. Might be a no trade for me. Hey, that's discipline right there, Chris. I probably should have participated in that. 1 to 3 micros. I got to follow what happened last time I traded a day like this and locked it up plus 50 bucks. I'm out, King, Queens. Wish y'all the best today. That's how you find longevity, Corey. I love it. Way to be, King. See you tomorrow. Thanks for being here, brother. Good luck. Base your trades on the 1-hour chart. You like that VWAP indicator for some reason. Use it. What does it look like on the 5-minute? 1-minute chart. Trading is for noobs. Zoom out. Yeah, I mean, to each their own, RSH. To each their own, King. You love to comment when I take losers, but at the end of the day, 1 minute chart provides really good information. You just got to find it, bud. You just got to find it, bud. Bro, my girlfriend's boyfriend is going to be mad if I don't get another account, so I got to make him proud. Yeah, you got to go make that man proud, Bobby. You got to make that man proud. At most, I'd like to see him below Monday mid. Could target Monday lows. That's what I was kind of looking at, was previous day low. If we already had previous day high, swept overnight, and we have this PDL over here that we could go target if we keep finding weakness. Could be an option, Christopher. I need to get funded again, LOL. Confuse me. Bro, if you won't take criticism, you won't grow. I love criticism, RSH. I do, King. But telling me that the 1 minute chart isn't how you trade is incorrect. I know someone that's made $500,000 profit trading that 1 minute chart, and I have also profitable trading the 1 minute chart. So to say that it's not, or say it's for noobs, is just inaccurate. You can be criticized. You can criticize without being just the way you're being. You know what I mean? I love insight, King. Share all your value. Just that's not the way to do it. Had to get it off my chest before I leave. I appreciate you, Mo. How much you took in payouts this year, bro? Yeah, exactly, Maxie. FaZe, thanks for the laughs. He's got a point, but being a little harsh about it. He's got a point, always. We're always learning. We're never perfect. If you're telling me that, hey, the 1 minute chart isn't for you, I can understand that. If you're telling me to pay more attention to the VWAP, it's an option too. I would definitely take that into account. Ty can take it. Don't do that, Bobby. Don't do that, King. Don't clip that. The 5 minute looks like chop. Yeah, it sure does. I mean, so is the 1 minute, but you can find at least better levels. I trade on the 1 minute. To each their own. Exactly, Christopher. Me too, King. We all trade our own styles. Been watching your stream for a couple weeks. Tough breaks, brother. Love the composure you show daily. It's a probability game. Stay strong. Diego, you're the king right there. Hell of a mindset. It is a probability game. It comes and it goes. We know that overall our strategy works, and overall we're profitable. Just right now it's not hitting, so we got to get a little bit better. But I appreciate you for that message, Diego. Thank you, King. Thanks for stopping in, hanging out with the stream a couple weeks. Means a lot. I use the 1 minute chart. I just don't base all my trades on it. Well, there you go, baby. Well, there you go. Your last stop out was a great entry, to be honest. It was a great entry. I didn't stop out for fun. I stopped out because of the drawdown. I stopped out because I took a loss here that I didn't need to take, even though, guess what? Bottom tick. So I got stopped out there, and then I couldn't afford this extra money. But, yeah, I agree. Would have been a great entry up here. Also was a decent entry at this trend line. Just unlucky. A little bit more value through there. RSH, you probably failed like 100 evals and come on here to cry. Let's go ban for ban. We all blow it. We all blow 100 evals. No worries, Mo. He can have his own opinion. It's okay. And he's not wrong. I mean, hey, look. At the end of the day, a lot of people do struggle to read the 1 minute. I just have a lot of experience doing it, and I know someone that's made a lot of money doing it. So teach their own, truly. Hope your girlfriend got a boyfriend that don't make sense. Hope your girlfriend got a boyfriend. They don't make sense. What, Eli? No, I meant Ty can take it as in he can take criticism. No, we know what you meant. He said I can take it. No one takes it like me. Pause. No, I meant Ty. Look at that indicator, King. Look at what indicator? Look at that indicator, King. What indicator, King? What you talking about? VWAP? Me getting stopped out? Am I the indicator? Hey, you guys could be I could be an indicator. Use me. When I get stopped out, get into a trade. Honestly, look at this. Stopped out, enter. Stopped out, enter. Maybe you guys should be fading me. Every time I get a stop out, not an entry, but every time I get a stop out, you guys should enter that position. Ty, it's a difference when you fail evals and don't get payouts and talk shit. Mo. Y'all are ride or dies. I love the support. I meant how. How your girlfriend got a boyfriend? That don't make sense. He's the girlfriend's boyfriend. I don't dance for the village. That's what the community has normalized. I don't dance for the village. That's what the community has normalized. Our community has normalized that, hey, trading is fucking hard. And even when we know what we're doing and we show up in the right spots, you can still lose. Our community has normalized that even when we take losses, it doesn't define who we are as traders, and that I don't know what I'm doing just because I took a loss. That's what our community has normalized. Did Top Step release some big news? No activation fee. Yes, Christoph. Yes, they did, sir. Huge news. Before Thanksgiving, they're removing activation fees, which is fucking massive for the prop firm space. And it's just going to create more incentives and just keep... It's in our favor as traders, baby. They're going to keep everybody else doing stuff like that. Hell yeah, we ride for Ty. Let's go, baby. Oh, we ride Ty? Hey, stop it. I don't take it. Stop. No, he can be here. I don't mind. I don't mind him having a different opinion as well. Like, that's the thing, family. Like, RSH can have his opinion. And I did respond to him a little differently today, but it's just because the last few times he's been in here saying stuff, it's always been in that same tone. I don't mind y'all telling me things I'm doing wrong. Because, by the way, I'm not perfect. We all suck. We're all learning. We're all getting better. And, yeah, trading's not an easy thing, so... All insight's good, but just it's the tone. Yeah, bro is mad. Mo is mad. No worries. No worries. Stress, King. Peace. Peace, love, and happiness always. Dubs. Huge, Christopher. Isn't it huge? Pablo. As I enter, I hear Ty can take it. What exactly are you taking, Ty? Newbie, welcome in, Queen. It's not graded. It's you caught that by context, but yeah, we have a little inside joke. Yo, good morning, Sobs. Welcome back, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Happy to have you. Happy Tuesday. Look at this lovely little chart. I took a long, bottom ticked. This trade, I liked it a little bit better. Took a long here, took a stop. That's fine. Volume came in. I shorted this next pump, and then I get top ticked here to be correct. Wow, selling still pulling in through the NASDAQ into the 530s right now. Hope you're in that shorts, crypto. Hope you're looking for the shorts there, noob. Happy to have you here, though, Sobs. Different opinion is all right, but let's be and stay kind to each other. Absolutely, Danny. RSH and Tyler, just listen to him. He will make you rich. Let's go. Let's go, Maxie. I took a trade today. Price action isn't there today, and banks are closed. Yes, sir. And that's good mindset, too. No need to trade everything. If it's not there for your setup, it's not there for your setup. Me, personally, I kind of like the fact that we held overnight highs, and we have a big target to overnight lows. And right now, the weakness is in. So, finding some shorts to target it, I didn't mind. See what happens. Newbie's wife is going to have more questions listening to us taking it. Advice and criticism aren't the same, King. That's broke boy hating. Mo. Mo. It's all right, King. Hey, we're good. Now you got to be kind, too. We're good. We're good. I would just look for better entries, Ty, and use the 5-minute for more confluence. Yeah, I think I could do that, Pat. I think my entries have been a little early and excited lately. Like this right here. I got in, like, what is this? 40. So I got in the first 10 minutes of the day. Not my strongest. Could have been a lot more patient here. Got a top bottom tick because of it. And then from there, that really dictated the rest of the day. So because of the impatience here, it afforded me the inability to hold this. And so I think that's a fair point, Pat. The only reason I don't use the 5 is just because I don't have a lot of experience with it. And that me reading the 5 is just me getting confused right now because I don't have a lot of experience with it. Every time I see someone with a name blank trades, they say dumber shit than me on a Tuesday. Lately, it's been pop and fade with Trump news and markets. Yeah, it has. It's been a pop. You take it like a little good broke boy. Stop. Stop, stop, stop. Both of y'all, chill the fuck out. We're family here. We're chilling. We're all getting better. We're all getting better. No one's as rich as they want to be. Try adding supply and demands, zones, or a fib tool to your strategy for more confluence. I do use supply and demand, Pat. I don't usually like mark them out. So I guess I could start doing that. Probably for a stream it'd be better too, so you guys can see my levels. I do typically find those zones just more like a mental level, you know what I mean? So I could start listing them out. I like that, Pat. Maybe you should do a poll every time you enter a trade, short, long, let us decide. Yo, Max, community trading. That'd be fucking hype. Yo, should I long this? Should I short this? Tomorrow we'll play around with it. We'll play around with it. Bro, chill. Yeah. My bad, guys. See you tomorrow. I appreciate you for stepping up, Mo. Thanks for being here, King. Thanks for showing love and stepping on the support too, man. It means a lot. Spend the rest of your night chilling. We'll be back tomorrow. Enjoy yourself, King. Mo is the man. Let him. He's just a little tight. It's all right, King. You guys has it out. All you want to just be polite. Let's go, baby. Or is that Pobby? No, it was Mo. It was Mo, Max. But hey, I loved it. He was ride or dying. He just, you can't respond to hate with more hate, because then it's a fire. So, and I don't even really think RSH was hating. He was just, you know, he has a certain way that he was saying his stances, and it's only the timing when I just get a stop out that he loves to say something. But again, I don't mind that. It's just got to be, we're respectful of each other. We're all getting better. I'm not here for any other reason, just to show the process, let you guys feel it, see it, be a part of it, do it together. So, fisticuffs. Hey, Ty, are you done with gold? I feel like you were doing pretty solid with it for a bit. Yeah, I'm not done with it right now, King. Because I was flipping over to Apex, I felt like it's not smart to be juggling gold and Apex at the same time. So I've been trying to decide where to balance myself out, but I'm definitely not over them, TLR. I like the range that it moves. No, you didn't do nothing, Pobby. You're chilling. Blunt criticism is all it was. He's right, but the delivery was off a little. Exactly. He's right. And he's not even necessarily right, again, because he said the 1 minute's for noobs. I don't agree with that at all. I will stand on that till the day I fall over. The 1 minute chart will make... The 1 minute chart can make you rich. If you are an impulsive person that cannot manage yourself, it's harder in the 1 minute chart because you have to make more mental decisions frequently. Like, oh, should I stop out? Should I help? Whatever. You have more decisions to make. So for people that aren't good at that and they're not good at managing themselves, higher time frames are good. You have less decisions to make, less candles making you have more information. But to say that the 1 minute chart is for noobs, I will not stand on that. I know people that are very successful doing it. I am successful doing it. It's just its own thing. Hey Ty, blunt criticism is all it was. Can I help out with a giveaway for chat for Thanksgiving, Ty? Mo, of course, King. Of course, we'll do that together. Come around Thanksgiving, we'll do a little count giveaways, and you can be a part of it if you want to. W Mo right there. Giving back to the community. That's King moves. Let's go, baby. Takes balls to live stream trade. I appreciate you, King. I appreciate you too, Christopher. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being a part of the community, King. Flipping a coin can make you rich. That's fair. Red or black, baby. Let's go to... That's fuck it. We're going to put 10 grand. We're going to go to the casino. We're going to put 10 grand on red or black. Ugh. And we can get rich with a little coin flip. What's going on? People throwing hands around here. What I walk in on. Sob, there's tight tensions today, King. I don't know what it is. I think I brought it. I think I was a little upset. I let my emotions get a little too spicy when I got stopped out here. And so it allowed people to, I don't know exactly what happened, but I'll take the responsibility. I'll manage better. For a bit, flipping a coin can make you rich for a bit, exactly. 1 minute are for the big dogs. Let's go, Chris. I was about to say, I'm just chilling, saying questionable things in chat. Keeping us laughing, Pavi. You're the man, bro. Wouldn't be the same without you. The 1 minute chart is for scalpers, period. That's fair, Pat. It is for scalping. I wouldn't even say that. If you watch back, look back at our streams prior to Apex. I trade the 1 minute and I don't just scalp. I hit nice fat moves on the 1 minute sometimes. Of course, I get wrong sometimes too, but It is not just for scalps. It's nice for information. We going to Twin River? Let's do it. Come on, Sobs. But no RSH in the giveaway, lol. What happened? Just got here. What's up, Paul? Welcome in, King. Welcome back to the family, yo. Nothing. We're all chilling. Today's just been a little bit tense. I think it's my fault because I just been a little goofy. But yeah, I'll be up there December tide. Does Saucy live close by? Yes, he does. He lives very fucking close. We'll all get together. Let's go, Pat. Yo, Sauce, I don't know if you're here right now. You're hearing that, but Pat's coming up to the fucking Maine around, you said like Portland area, right? December, in less than a month away, man. Hell yeah, we're gonna hit the weights. We'll get together. We'll do something big, Pat. I love it. Insane. It's Vets Day, so everyone want to be fighting like we are at war. Exactly. Look, they fought for our freedom, so we don't have to fight each other, family. Come on now. Hugs and love. That's all we offer here. Hugs and love. Ty was taking it when I came in. Laughed my ass off. I was taking it. God, I just like to. I can take it well. Are your accounts toast, by the way, Ty? Yeah, Danny. We got murdered. Got the liquidation. Traded pretty poorly. Look, I took a short right here with 3 cons. That would have been fucking huge. Would have paid us, but got stopped out. So we bounce back. We'll be better. We built two look, bottom tick and then a top tick. So all you can do is take it on the chin, move forward. It sounded rough too, Griff. Oh, I love you guys. Yo, by the way, is market closed early today? I don't actually have that information, Sobs. I'm not sure. I don't think so, but I'm not sure. Visiting moms for December. Gym and food. That's going to be insane. Definitely excited to see you guys. Oh, likewise, passing me a fucking vibe. Hit the weights, get some good food, man. Shit. Can we do some chant and dance for a monster drop, lol? Come on, big blacks, no wicks for the Danny. She's looking for some selling. Give her a big black, no wick. Nice and heavy through here. Go break out these lows between these 530s for the queen. Bring warm clothes, my boy. Well said. Bring some warm clothes. MNQ, morning all. What's up, Matthew? What's up, baby? Welcome in, King. Happy to have you back, brother. By the way, Ty, you got any code for firms? Mo, that is huge, actually. We are so close. Let me look. Let me confirm. I did get a confirmation email from Apex the other day about our code. They denied us. They denied our BBW, our big, beautiful women. And they also denied our King because it's already being used. So I applied for a new one. We're going to see if we get approved for it. And then once we do, I'll let you guys know. But it's for Apex, so you guys might not even like it anyway because Apex is struggling. Hate the cold, lol. What line of work you do before trading? I still am doing it right now, Chris, and I'm a contractor for cannabis cultivators. So I help grow and process cannabis for the state of Maine. I love it. Bro, we getting clipped saying all this zesty stud. Yeah, we are getting clipped, but hey, I don't care. I'm comfortable. I'm comfortable in my preferences. Should break the 30s, Danny. Let's go. I'll put Saucy's putting the call in for you, Danny. We're going to the downside here. Big blacks, no wicks. Get through there. Laugh my ass off. That don't help, Ty. What's up, family? What's up, King? Happy to have you back, baby. Heiriger. I know you changed your name again, so I'm. Who is that exactly? Heiriger. What's up, King? Welcome back. I know you changed names, so I'm trying to see who that is. Forgot I inverted my chart last night. Shit, I had me looking at my monitor sideways this morning. How do you do that? How do you flip the charts? And is it actually useful, Sobs? Apex guy reading your discount codes like big blacks, no wicks. BBW. He's like, what the fuck did this guy trade? He's like, yeah, you're in the wrong industry trying to trade that, sir. I'm going to have to deny that. Oh, there we go. Finding some more selling here, Danny. Hopefully we can get through these lows. Sellers have been in control since opening print, really. Nothing but the downside right now. Yo, I don't know how many likes we're at yet, family. I don't know how many likes, but I'm not going to lie. It'd be cool to get some likes in here. Let's get to 20. Let's get to 20 likes. We had 25 people in here, so it feels a little unfair to ask for 25. 25 would be cool, but I crashed out today, so I don't deserve 25. I deserve 20. Crashed out a little bit. It's my fault. Forgot I inverted my charts. I'm so comfortable as well as some of the shit I say, my girlfriend questioning. Like, chill. I like only, but I do go overboard. It makes it fun. Makes it fun, Bobby. All right. Alt I on top step. Alt I on top step, not useful. Heard someone say it as a video last night. Wanted to check out Alt I. Is that here too? Alt I. Invert. Invert. Nope. Forgot to flip it back. Yeah. 15 likes. Could we get 5 more, family? Could we get 5 more likes? Trying to get that 20 goal. Then he said, I was trading an ineligible account, dumbass. Switched to my new one just now. Trading an ineligible account, and you took a loss on it? Oh, wait, no. For your actual short? No, queen. Sorry to hear, Danny. Fuck, shorts are still in right now. Hopefully you can catch something of it, but damn, I'm sorry to hear that, queen. 21 likes, let's go, Mo. Appreciate you, baby. Appreciate everybody that hit the like button. It means a lot, family. Showing so much love, showing so much support. And, fuck. We got cooked today. Put in the oven and baked. On broil. You know what I mean? Speaking of all this baking, I cannot wait for Thanksgiving, family. It is my favorite holiday, and we are so close. Family, food. Oh, my God. Name something better than Thanksgiving. I YOLO'd in the 20s. Not smart, but oh well. You YOLO'd in the 20s? Well, you're up, queen. Put your break even on. I don't like that we could come back up into your range, but I like that you're in there. Be patient. And mine too. What's your fave dish, dude? That's like asking. That's a hard question. Food is just too good. I mean, yeah, I can't even begin. There's just so many options, man. I kind of love probably might have to be my butternut squash that my mom makes. It's just, oh my God, brown sugar just makes your face melt. But, I mean, I literally, you could put just anything on my plate, except for cranberry sauce. I do not like cranberry sauce on my Thanksgiving plate. Other than that, green bean casserole, like, it doesn't matter. I'm going to ingest it, and probably 3 servings of it. Green bean casserole, fucking just, oh my God, makes me hungry right now. Make sure you add your stop quickly, too, and get those great entries. Let's go. By the way, Ty, sorry for the extra rage today. I just hate when things don't go to plan and someone comes to ruin the mood even more. It's all right, Mo. I appreciate you being there, King. I saw the love, the support. Never gonna dish you for that. Just we also gotta respond to that type of things with this positivity, right? Because otherwise, it's just gonna breed more of it, and I don't want that in our chat or in our community. We can have other people have different opinions. RSH has been here for a while too. He's not a hater. He just not very tactful with his delivery, I guess. And I'm going to take accountability because I responded to him initially with a little bit of like sass where I was like, what I told him, I said, you only ever message when I lose or something like that. And then kind of incentivize some more stuff. So that's on me. But yeah, we don't want that, family. Just love and happiness here. And we're going to get better at trading. That's the main focus. We're getting better at trading, which is why I don't mind other differing opinions because that's how we get better. But when you have a differing opinion that's just saying, get better, don't use that. It's like, Would love to experience a Thanksgiving once. Danny, come up here, queen. Come up here. I would throw a mad Thanksgiving. You could come to our families. There's probably like 25 people there. What's one more? It'd be so cool. It's all good, Mo. We appreciate you defending him. You did nothing wrong. You did nothing wrong at all. A little bit of arguing going on. That's all. It's normal. It's very normal. Just some tough love. Exactly. Just some tough love. Appreciate you both. RSH and Mo. Y'all are great. We're all getting better here. I probably could use a little bit better zooming out in general, just in terms of not getting stuck in the range. And I think more of the zooming out, what I could get better at is like, I don't even know, to be honest. I'd say I just take this trade is my biggest mistake today. I got in too early, okay? So because of that $400 drawdown and loss and then mindset, that flipped everything over. This stop, I'm okay with. I like this trade. Fine. Took a loss, bottom of the range, no big deal. Found some reaction, biggest selling volume, couldn't hold through the ranges, lots of wicks defending this price. Once we got the explosion through here, I love the short. It's just I got unlucky. It wanted the next level. And that's, again, I can take that. If I didn't take this first loss, I could have afforded this extra drawdown, and then we would have been able to bank today. So, really, just a couple things we can get better. Danny, bring your cat. LOL, absolutely. Cough, 5-minute chart. Dude, for sure, RSH, I don't know, man. I don't have a lot of experience with it. And let's for the sake of it, let's look at this. Like, that's just as confusing to me. It's just as confusing to me. Because it's just, like, there's no, how do you read that? 15-minute range. Oh, 3 candles and wicks on both sides of them. And then we push through the bottom. And then a big green candle. So this means that we're definitely going up, right? No. So, I mean, the 5 to me is noisy. Compared to the 1 minute, this is information. That's the difference here. Like, that, what I just looked at, was noisy. This is information. Just for me. For my own sake. Not sure he would enjoy that. Well, the food he would, LOL. He would not enjoy the flight, probably, Danny, but once he got here, he would have a great time. That VWAP 5-minute tough gold. That 5-minute VWAP touch. Oh, up in the 5? Yeah, when we got up there. Yeah, but that's the thing. We avoided the VWAP too, actually, King. Never even got there. That's the trickiness. That's the thing. Nothing in this game is one thing. We never even got up there. Yo, what's up, Julians? Welcome in, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Happy to have you here, King. 5-minute VWAP. When you zoom out, you can tell it's all sell side. Once you determine bias, you just look for good entries for sells. I will say, though, family, we know it's sell side now because it's selling. But imagine if this reaction kept going through the upside. Then the answer would have been, oh, I should have bought this bottom. Actually, I'm not even seeing it. Look, we broke through this low. You're right, Pat. If you look back, it was all selling. And that's why I tried to take this sell, but I wanted to go to the next level. I couldn't afford the drawdown, and bada bing, bada boom. Is this Apex? What charting platform? Yeah, this is Apex, King. It's Tradeovate, trading with Apex. So here's the Apex, and we're using Tradeovate right up here in the corner. If you can see, oh, you can't see it. Oh, wait, Tradeovate right here. But not super loving it so far. Still have an adjustment period of getting better with it. I usually look at the 1 hour for direction, that 5, and 1 minute side by side for entries. Hey, me too, Queen. Here's my 1 hour for information. Here's my 1 hour for information. And honestly, that's another thing I could have done better. Well, I don't even mind it. I like the longs early. And tried my first try here, and then flipped over, and so that's how I do it. To each their own. But you're right. You can't always tell that in the moment. Hindsight is 20/20. It's the best. Hindsight is the best. Are they funded or eval? These are eval right now, King. And we just blew them. So these are blown evals. Gonna reload and retry again tomorrow. Like we never left. Because that's the thing about trading, guys. You can lose, you can lose, you can lose, you can lose, and then you can win more than you ever lost in a single moment. So, yep, we're on a little bit of a downturn right now. I think I'm down like 5 or almost 6 grand since my last payout. So since the 43K, we're down about 6. But hey, we bounced back, baby. One set of Apex payouts or anything, we're going to be right back to profitability, or we're profitable. We'd be back to like big dollars. So no stress. That's what I do, Danny. Obviously today wasn't a buy. Hindsight being 20/20. Look back yesterday. How did price respect the VWAP? Did we bounce off it and go higher? Obviously today wasn't a buy. Hindsight being 20/20. Look back yesterday. Yesterday wasn't a buy. I mean, yesterday we had the strong momentum for an hour to the upside. Big reaction for the next hour and a half after that, selling into the lows, and then we closed bullish. And then from there overnight, we just kept trickling below VWAP and just stuck below. Trailing drawdown sucks. I will be at the top of the world with my TPT eval and then go pro with trailing drawdown, and it bites me in the ass. Super hard. Super hard, Danny. Shit, 6K, did you spend it all? New car? No, Poppy, I meant out of the 43K, I've spent 6 on evals. So since my 43K payout, I've spent 6. The rest, saved, invested. Saved and invested, sir. So I can afford more of this. But if we're using VWAP as our indicator, yeah, well, that's the thing. We're not using it as an indicator. That's the thing. I guess that might be a big level for us to RSH. It's more that it's information, right? I do use it as trades quite often, but it's not just because it's like I'm gonna short off the VWAP. It's more just, or I'm gonna long the VWAP. I like the price. I like the way that we're reacting here. I like the pressure into VWAP. Like here would have been this is a good example. Let's look at yesterday, right? If you want to talk about VWAP being an indicator, we had the push up, big reaction through the VWAP. So we got a big reaction through it. Buyers are trying to hold. They get another pump up through there. This would have been a spot where you could consider trying the VWAP indicator or attempt. Not here, right? This would have been you try to buy this long, smoked. You try to short this one, smoked. But you wait, use this information. We have a nice opening print, selling through. Buyers reclaimed above opening print, get tested back into the same level and VWAP. So now you have double confirmation with the VWAP being the indicator. And then from there, you can start to find the expansion. So this would have been a good level of how you could use it as information, not necessarily an indicator, because you can see again, would have failed. And then you can use it with the extra context with the information that the buyers got defended. They pushed above the VWAP, found some support, and now they're trying one last time. You could take the long there. Oh, good shit, King. Yes, sir. Above price went higher. Today we are not, and price is respecting it. Why are we lower? Why we are lower? Above price went, okay, wait. Above price went higher. Today we are not, and price went respecting it. That's why we're lower. Yeah, today that's definitely playing out for sure. Price can't push above VWAP. Sellers are in control. If it is above, sometimes buyers are in control. The demand zone is at the 20s, just got slapped. Yeah, it did. Ripped through there. Buyers held the 25,500s almost perfectly and then pushed right back up there. Yeah, it did though, Pat. Smart move to invest. I got the 90K my mom gave me in a high yield account. So far, I made 7K. That's the power of compound interest. That's insane. I love it. Free money, Pobby. Free money, brother. Keep doing that. Just keep doing more of that. Ahead of the game. Stop loss on the other side of VWAP. It's a good play. I actually don't mind that, RSH. Not a bad play at all. Give yourself a little bit of points because sometimes we flash it and still respect it. So give yourself a little bit of an edge there. But I started with 50K, so not bad. No, that's insane. Insane, Poppy. Be happy with that. LOL. What's up? Jay finding the funnies. You finding the funnies? Yo, I don't know how many likes we're at, family, but I'm going to get out of here today, right now. We got cooked a little bit. Bottom tick, top tick. But hey, we bounce back. We'll be better tomorrow. I appreciate every single one of you guys for being here. Sharing your insights, sharing your vibes, being a part of the community, making us something that we can actually get better at together. If we try to short here, as an example, your stop loss, if you respected VWAP as your indicator, would be 70 plus points. No bueno. No bueno, so we should not take that as a trade. I see what you're saying, RSH. I like that. Bro, that's a big fish. Wow. Haul ass, let's call it. Drops the likes. Have a great day, guys. Love y'all. Hit the weights. Let's go, Pat. Way to drop the fucking love. Yes, sir. I'm going to call it today, family. If you haven't yet, put the likes up. I appreciate you guys. We're going to be back tomorrow. Keep the vibes high. Keep the mindset correct. Drink some sun. Get some water. And we'll be back tomorrow, baby. I appreciate you guys. Peace.